Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to learn unit number 6 Behlul exercise part B. Part B is working with words. Use the following in sentences of your own. Look in the dictionary if you are not sure of the meaning. Gradually, looked blankly, hover, summoned, shambles with some alarm, glancing nervously. Gradually, the night fell gradually and everyone went to sleep. Looked blankly, Asif looked at me blankly when I asked him about his work. However, some butterflies were hovering over beds of flowers. Summoned, my father summoned me to help him in washing the car. Shamble, my sister's children turned my room into a shambles. With some alarm, I looked up with some alarm as my brother climbed the unsteady step ladder. Glancing nervously, mother was glancing nervously at her son about to participate in his first tennis match. See if you can match these. First word is MP. MP, Member of Parliament. ST, Sent. SEC, Second. VIP, Very Important Person. LTD, Limited. And CO, Company. Here are three well-known proverbs. Try to write in your own words what each one means. Waste not, want not. Waste not, want not. If you do not waste what you have now, you will not have to request others for it tomorrow. One good turn deserves another. We should repay kindness with kindness. Two heads are better than one. A problem is solved quickly if two people work on it instead of one. Here are some common idioms. Match them with their meaning. To hit below the belt. To hit below the belt. To fight or argue unfairly. To kill two birds with one stone. To succeed in doing two things with only one effort. To catch someone red-handed. To praise one's own good deed. To blow one's own trumpet. To discover a person in the act of committing a crime. To take the bull by the horns. To undertake to solve a problem without hesitation. To pull all one's eggs in one basket. To risk everything, money, time, etc. on only one thing. A verb used as a noun is called a gerund. Remember that the gerund is always used as a noun. Pick out the gerunds and verbs in the present continuous tense in the following. Write them in your notebooks. Drinking water is important when you are climbing mountains. Drinking as a grunt and climbing as a verb. Swimming is very pleasant. Swimming, grunt, and is as a verb. Sleeping in class is boring. Sleeping as a verb and boring as a grunt. Nida was wondering if she liked swimming. Wondering and liked as a verb and swimming as a grunt. I also like riding like as a verb and riding as a grunt. Listening to the teacher is very important, is as a verb and listening as a grunt. How did the lady apologize to the counselor and his wife? What did they do when they heard the lady's story? Write an account of what might have happened. I entered the room. The counselor and his wife were huddled together on a sofa. I could only imagine what was going through their heads. They had accepted my hospitality and now were suffering for it. Even now, when I was about to tell them the good news, I felt no better. Whatever had happened cannot be reversed. I got the expected response when I gave them the good news. They looked at me without any feeling. They gave them the customary uh, thanks to me and God too. But I knew that they shall never be able to forget the time when they were making themselves sick in my bathroom on many suggestions. Heaven knows when shall I see them again, but I don't expect to be very soon.